Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer your Microsoft to account to another account. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically here, we are just going to follow the support article Microsoft. And basically you will need to know that transferring a Microsoft subscription to another account is kinda impossible. So as you can see, you cannot transfer an existing Microsoft subscription from one Microsoft account to another. So basically to change it, you will be needing like to simply buy the subscription or renew the subscription for to the other account. So as you can see, you must wait for the current subscription period to expire and then purchase a new subscription using the new account. But simply if you want to transfer the data from an account to another Microsoft account, you will be able to do it like um by going, or you will need to change a plan in a different service family and your company name changed, etc., etc. So simply to transfer administrative settings between subscription, you can go to the Microsoft page or your admin page, and from there you go to Microsoft, and then you will find service settings. From there you can change like every settings for each user, or like changing data between users, etc. Or you can do it the same for the Microsoft Exchange or SharePoint or even for Microsoft Business. And basically, if you want like to simply transfer a public website between subscriptions, you will be able or you will need to save it and recreate it on your new subscription. So basically, you will need just to save the website and recreate it into your subscription or the new account. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.